Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to show a couple entries that I have received for my giveaway, and you still have a couple more days. I'm not going to be picking the winner until August 12th, so as long as you either do a video showing the card that you make and tag me in your video, or drop it in the mail to me, and I get it by August 12th, then you will be entered. So this first one, this one is from Randy, and Randy is actually one of my patrons, which I really appreciate her entering. And it's Randy Roki, if I'm saying that right. Let me know, Randy. And so her theme, she picked the 1960s. And I love this because I was born in the 60s as well. And I love, you got the men walking on the moon and just the 60s vibe, the old rotary dial telephone. And I can't remember if she's from Brazil or she likes to travel to Brazil. And so I think that's really cute. So I love this journal card that she did. Very, very cute. And then the next one, this is from Claudia Malone, and she actually is from Louisville, and she did a tag. And I want to get the little piece of paper here. And she put on here, celebrate the decades, and she chose the 1920s Victorian fairy. And I think this is really cute. And this looks like a Tim Holtz here, and she's added the wings behind it. A little bit of lace down below, and a little tab on top. And then here's this cute little bead charm on the bulb pin, and she put life is good, like the roses and the bird. And this paper in the background kind of looks like old Victorian wallpaper. So very, very cute. And then this is the back with, it looks like, some pink dyed paper with the doily impression. And then there's one other person, Rachel. Now she sent, I still haven't received her entry in the mail yet. I tell you, the post office has been ridiculous. So that's why I extended it a little bit longer. But she sent me a picture of her entries. And this one is the 1950s, and I don't know how bad the glare is. Let me look. Oh yeah, the glare is really bad. How about here? Let's see. Let me move the light. There we go. So here's some pictures. 1950s on the right. I love the old mixing stand and the woman in the kitchen. And then this one, I love A Time to Remember, and these older women and stuff. So she's never done these journal cards before. So I love that, she pushed herself to try to do these. And that's really what I like folks to do, is to learn and try the things that I show on my videos. And she also has one in the mail, so hopefully it'll show up. And if that one shows up, I'll use that one as her entry. If not, I'll use this as her entry. But yeah, these are the latest ones that I have received. And like I said, you still have a few days left to get your entry in. And you can see, you can just send it, regular mail, letter, size post office box if you want, so choose. And just cost you a stamp, which I know the price of stamps have gone up, but still, it's you know, a small price to pay for a chance to win some of the prizes that I have. And if you aren't familiar with all that, I have a separate video. I'll link it down below to show you all the details. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed seeing these. I loved receiving them. It was so much fun getting these in the mail. And yeah, so I will see you all in the next video. Just wanted to do a quick short video here and share these entries with you. So yeah, so I will see you all in the next video. Bye.